Welcome to this new video. In this video we're going to be talking about drawing the profile of the horizontal alignment. But before, let's talk about some stuff. Okay, so as we said before, when you want to draw a horizontal curve, make sure that you're going perpendicularly, right? No, not right. I said we go parallel to the contour line, because perpendicularly you're going to make a huge cost of cutting of the cut amount and fill amount. So one of the essentials to keep in mind when choosing the road alignment is to make your road or alignment parallel to the contour lines as possible. So this way you can have approximately an equal amount of cut and fill. So when you make cut, you could use the fill. You could use this cut for filling. Okay, so this way you won't have that problem. So as you see here, the amount of fill, okay, and cut, when they are mostly equal, you are making your work effective. You are not paying a lot of money. You are just using the fill material from the cut you made. Okay, so when you make cut here, you can make fill here, and you can put the rest here, the same as here, the same as here. Okay, so it's so important to make your road this way. Anyways, let's go to the Autocad and let's show you how to draw the profile. So we need to head to the profile here in the home tab, click on profile, then go to the create surface profile, hit on this one. You need to make sure that you have your alignment here. Okay, so in the previous video, if you remember, I've named this alignment, the road, I've named it exam 1. So I'm going to click on add and hit on draw in profile view. Okay, so profile view name, let's give it a name, profile exam. Okay, you can name it whatever you want, it's just what I think I want to name it. Okay, hit on create profile view. Then you will be asked to select a place on the screen. So I'm gonna, let me see, I'm gonna choose here. Okay, so let's see our profile. Okay, so as you can see, this is my profile. I won't say it's bad. No, actually, I think it's pretty good one. Okay, so we might be able to make cut and fill equals according to the figure I see. So as you can see, I can start from here, then go up and down this way, then I can keep moving this way. Okay, so then I go up, I could make some cut, then I could continue like this. So yeah, it's beautiful profile. It's not that hard. As you can see, I don't have like huge mountains. The difference is like, it's not that much. So when you see the difference between 777 and approximately 787, so it's approximately 10 meters. Okay, so it's not that big deal. So we were lucky choosing this path. Anyway, every file I'm going to do or I'm going to work on here, I'm going to attach it for you so you can see my work and make your own edit on it if you want to see what I've did, or sorry, what I've done. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you've understood what I made, and for any questions you have, you can contact me. Alright? Thank you for your watching, and I wish you a good day. Abbas One was with you. Bye bye.